Welcome back, and on this quick video I'm gonna show you this thing right here. I just got it. It was a Christmas present. I was good, but I also got the little joystick that goes with it. A game changer. So check it out. Alright, this is the DJI Fpv. Some digital goggles, and it's flying a drone, a FPV drone. So what I see is what the drone is seeing. So double click this one. This is a motion controller. So if you push forward, it goes down, pull back goes up, left and right, just like a jet airplane. So let's go for a little quick flight. So double click, arm the motors, and take off. So you squeeze the trigger to go. So we're going to go through the gate, and we're going to go just into the sunset right now. And what I'm going to do is, we're going to pull back, and we're going to fly over the trees, and we're going to cruise. We're going to bank to the right, come over this house over here, over these trees, and then I'm going to pass over us so you can hear it, how loud this thing is, okay? Alright, so we're going to dive down. I'll hit the emergency brake, just like that. I'll put it in normal mode, and we're gonna come behind us. I'm gonna try to get the drone in field of view. So as you can see, this is the drone right here, right? So if I turn to the left, turn to the right. If I want it to go up, I'll pull back and I'll squeeze the trigger up. If I want it to come down, I'll point down and I'll squeeze the trigger and it'll come down. So it's freaking cool. This is amazing. So let's go on a quick, one more little quick flight. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come up. And then we're just gonna do something a little slow. We're gonna come right here and we're gonna try to make that gap. We're gonna try to go right through these trees right here. Which we did. That was cool, right? So we'll come back down. We're gonna come and land. We're gonna call it a day. We're gonna call it a day. I mean, look. I'll be honest with you, all you women, all you ladies out there, if y'all looking for a gift for your husband, say, I don't know what to buy my husband. You can't go wrong with this. And to land, you press the red button, you double click it, and you hold it. And then it's gonna land. There's also a feature that if you go too far out, it's a return to home. So, like if you lost or something, you press that button and you'll return to your home where you took off at. So, this is so cool. It puts drones or stuff on a whole nother level, especially with this. Unbelievable. Thanks for watching.